Welcome back to the series of scenario-based interview question and answer in a SQL. So our question is, write a query to find employees whose name starts with letter A. For that, we have data here. We have this EMP info table. In that, we can see multiple columns are there like employee ID, name, department ID, salary, join date and manager ID. From these data, we have to find out those employees whose name starts with letter A. So, to see the data first, we will write a select a query here. So, I am writing select star from EMP info. EMP info is our table name. Hit execute. So, here we are getting the data. In that, we can see one name column. From this, we have to find out only those employees whose name is starting with letter A. For that, we will write a select query here. So, select star from EMP info, where we are using where clause here. Now, name of the column where employee name is present is the name. So, name, here we are using like operator, like A%. So, like this, we write the select query. Now, hit execute. So, here we are getting only those employees data whose name is starting with the letter A. We can see here Alice, Ankit, Arav, Andrew. So, like this, we can use like operator to get the employee data. So, till then, stay tuned for the upcoming questions. Thank you.